Bras na small piece of clothing wey women dey use dey hold their breast together. But before you judge me say why man dey talk about bra matter.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
First, dem tell men say make dem no dey wear tight pants because the thing dey affect their manhood. So make dem dey wear freer boxers. Na why the thing come dey make me dey wonder say if this thing dey applicable to men, shey na the same thing why women don dump their bra? To answer these questions for our mind, we waka enter street to ask people if dem dey wear bra and if dem no dey wear bra.
I don't like wearing bra because I'm going outside though. I don't like wearing bra. Like, you just let your breast be like that so that pressure will be penetrating it. Yeah, now, so like, be free.
To be honest, most people don't wear bras because the bras are uncomfortable. The only reason I wear bras is if I know people around me are going to be uncomfortable with it. I prefer to not wear a bra. I like it. It feels free.
It depends on the clothes where you wear. Some, you get small breasts. When they carry bra, they package jam. No, some just leave and make it there as it dey. God don't give you, don't bless you with them. So just they carry and they go.
We have individual differences. My kind of person, I will not be comfortable. And because another person is comfortable going braless does not mean he or she is loose or bad. So it's their opinion. If they feel comfortable going braless, it not concern me. Me, I know they're comfortable.
As we enter street so, we see say some people dey still dey confuse say why they no go wear bra, and some people don already make up their mind say this bra thing no be their own. Na I carry waka go meet one fine girl wey be say she don vow for her life say bra no go fit enter her chest again. We sit down with her and she tell us why she no dey wear bra again, and also all the things wey her eye don see from people wey dey pursue her as she no dey wear bra.
So the reason why I no dey wear bra be say I dey wear bra before when I dey small because I no get breast, and my school na only SS1 the school stop. So from SS1, SS2, SS3 before you go start, no be say SS2 and SS3 dey. So I get younger ones wey get really okay breast. And me I no get bra. So I go house, carry bra. My mama bra, let me be very specific. I carry my mama bra, put socks for inside, make I no see breast dey. And I did it for a long time. And then just last year, I tell myself, say, Mom, this breast not dey grow, nothing dey happen. Let the breast just dey as it dey. And I feel it's society standard because growing up, you would see people say, if your bra strap is showing, all these old people will be put your those very judgmental mamas them. They tell you say put your strap inside. It no make sense. Personally, I somehow feel like because I wore bra too early, my breast no grow. I go to Unilag and I know my hostel is at radiography. So you come out of radiography and a yaba gone there. And those yaba boys get squishy. Personally, I'm not normal. So as I dey come outside like this, I know say my area, they wear them. So I feel like in every area you are, if you have Chris, please don't wear bra if you cannot wear it. But if you know you cannot slap a yaba person back, please wear your bra in your house, generally because they will embarrass you.
One question for our mind now always say, shey to wear bra or to not wear bra good for person well body? Now why we waka go meet Dr. Fred, make him tell us some of the health implications of people wey dey wear bra or not.
Side effects of wearing bra. This conversation don't really go on right now. Most likely because of this pandemic, it cause what they call generational shifts. Most ladies now don't they wake up to this discussion say like say I don't really need bra, or waiting because they wear bra. We know say before the early days, women they wear bra for so many reasons. One of them now because of our culture, we believe say woman must wear bra. But present generation now come they talk say I don't need bra, waiting be the benefit of me wearing bra, because some people go wear bra and they go talk say they feel pain that they wear bra. Say I know they like they disturb me. Some people say we don't even know, but tell you say it be like say if you know wear bra or you wear bra, it will lead you to breast cancer. That one I like first of all. Bra generally now to help some women though support the breast. But research can't look into them, can't talk say even if you like wear bra or you know wear bra, the support where your breast will get now depending on the size of your breast and the ligaments, we call them Cooper's ligaments, where they for your breast, make them work. But because of our culture, our environment, we believe say a woman's supposed to wear bra, and if you know when wear bra, now your choice though, now your choice, and we believe say you're supposed to still wear something underneath, even if you know when wear bra.
As the doctor don yarn us say no too much health risk for say person wear bra or person no wear bra, we come talk say make we talk to a stylist to show people wey don choose to dump their bra how to properly carry their body when dem dey wear clothes and the kind of combinations wey dem fit use.
If you wan make fashion statement, you see wetin I dey do now, like say I wan wear this shirt now, and I wan make my shirt get like button down, that kind of like 90s type of feel where you won't feel like say you get chest where if you show or boobs where you won't show. You can make a statement by leaving your dress a little bit down. Women don't get time anymore. Women just want to be themselves now. Women want day free. Women want they make anything they make them uncomfortable. Before women go to wear clothes because say a person go look at one kind of way, but people don't care anymore. Now Lord, you understand? Wearing that bra the whole day, you go wear bra the whole day. I can tell you the funniest. The first way you reach house, every woman reach house before you even remove clothes, you don't already remove bras because you just want to get it off.
As more and more people don't throw their bra comot and then they walk out with just their breast free, we hope say this move na just the right motive dey our mind for when then they do this waka.
No be saying that to attract man. E just dey say you wear and the thing can't just show.
It depends on the female. Sometimes she's doing it to attract men, and sometimes she just does it because the bra is uncomfortable. It's not really a thing.
If common sense tell you say you dey attract men and that is your motive of doing it, let them, say whatever it is we do, the motive is what really matters.
Whether you choose to wear bra or not, we hope say you dey comfortable as you dey go about your daily activities and you fit carry your body well like all our popular celebrities wey don choose to drop this their own bra.